Hey guys, this is Chris with S3 Racing. I'm going to show you how to install a CV axle. Show you a few little tricks that we like to do to make sure things seat properly and go in well. One is this little circlip on the inside of the part on the rear that goes into the transmission. Make sure the open slot of the circlip is down and it helps slide it in. And I also like to anti-seize the splines. I hear a lot of people on threads online talking about how their axles are stuck in the diffs or in the transmissions. Definitely make sure to lube your splines before you put it in. Grease, anti-seize, something that it won't allow it to corrode or rust on itself. But greasing the splines and making sure your splines are clean and go in nicely and come out nicely applies to all CV axle machines, cars included. So here we go. We'll just put her in and give her a nice little push in the splines. And it's in. So when you're putting your axle in, you want to make sure it's straight. That way you're not forcing on the knuckles any wrong way or anything. It should go in there very smooth, pretty nice. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the trailing arm side and lift up the trailing arm and slide the axle through the knuckle, like so. Now as soon as that's done, I like to rest it on my knee. It helps level the thing out a little bit. I'll put at least one of these radius rods in, and then this should stay there for the most part. Now, like I said before, you want to anti-seize your splines. The inner ones I had anti-seized inside the transmission. So we'll put some on here, smother on the outside. All right, so now I'm gonna put the hub on, put the rotor, get the splines lined up, and it'll slide right on. Grab the spring washer. Now the spring washer goes one way. It's kind of cupped on the back side. You want it kind of domed out towards the nut. We'll spin that on. I'll grab my air gun here. And this particular ride is a 32 mil. Make sure you're going the right way. Run it on till your key will get in there. Grab a key. So I use this key, or this pin here, instead of a cotter key, so we don't have to bend them over and fight those. These come out real nice and easy and go back in real nice and easy. That's how you install an axle.